I'm back for the ladies again. We're going to need lemon, or lemon juice is fine, a pen as long as it's not a black one, and a white plain paper. What you're going to do, ladies, this is for when you want your partner to think about you unconditionally. Every time, wherever he is, must think about you. He must give you money. He must take care of you. If you want that to happen to you, this video is for you. You are going to write his names from the bottom, from the top to the bottom. The whole page must have all his names. You are going to write his names all the way. All the way you're going to write his names. You fill up the paper. You don't need to take a very big paper, not the whole page, you guys. So on and so on and so on. You write his names, you fill up the page. That's why you don't need to take a whole page. You're just gonna cut a small paper. You write his names, and be careful you're not using a black pen. A red pen or a blue pen is fine. You're going to take lemon with your left hand. Look at me, you guys, not the right one. You're going to put a little bit of lemon, not too much, on top of the paper, on top of the names with your left hand, and then you wrap it all over the page while speaking, calling his names, and tell him what you want him to do, what you need from him. He must stop cheating. He must think about you every now and then. He must give you money. He must take care of you. He must love you. After that, you can put it on the window so that it can get dry. After you have it is dry, sorry you guys, and then you can burn it. Burn this paper when it's dry, and then you add that ashes in your water when you bath. Even if you are using water and soap, it doesn't matter. You don't need to rinse yourself with only ashes. You're going to add the ashes in your water, then you bath yourself. You will see wonders, you guys. Until next upload, I'm helping my ladies to have peaceful marriages, peaceful relationships. That's why we don't need to use it for the partners that are not ours. This is for only when your partner, the person is your partner, not someone else's partner. All the best, ladies. Please go and get yourself lemon. Even if it's lemon juice is fine. Until my next upload, bye for now.